most of the time. So let's spend a little, live a little, cause every day the sun will rise. Come smell the roses, oh, come take it.
Oh, have a look at this.
That's amazing.
It's the morning of room reveal day, and Harry and Tash are the only team that are racing to the finish.
So this morning, so we'd only had 2 hours sleep. It's in a bit of panic mode, to be honest, to try and get it all done.
But as we have seen so often this season in Brighton, your neighbours aren't just your competition,
Special delivery.
Thanks, Tom.
they're also bloody good friends.
Keep going, man. We just brought you some coffee.
With plenty to do and under 10 minutes on the clock, George and Sarah have arrived to help them finish.
Sarah just magically appeared, and they brought us coffee.
It was, you know what? Actually, you put a really smile to my.
They're good neighbours.
After having a week we had, having 2 individuals come in,
It just makes you
2
feel...
human beings.
Yeah. Makes you feel very supported.
Yep,
And we would do the same for them.
yep.